creating little pranks, little fun things to do inside of Google Sheets. This is called Sheet Fools. I got 24 automations for you. Right now, I'm going to show you how to write thank you on every single edit. We're going to have this spreadsheet speak to its user. If it's your colleague, your boss, your friends, your family, I think it'll be really fun. Very similar to the last one, and looking forward to many more here. If you're looking to get all of these app scripts for yourself, you don't have to just follow along. You can copy and paste them into your Google Drive. Go to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get it absolutely free, all of these automations from Sheet Fools or April Fool's Day in Spreadsheets. Go to extensions app script. Here we'll already have an autosave failed in our on edit. We're going to delete that and just add a new function here. Function, thank you. This will go in our function on edit. We can only have one on edit in a spreadsheet at any time, but this thank you is going to say spreadsheet app dot get active dot toast. Thank you. One extra thing we can do here is add a title. So we can also add a timeout. Let's say 20 seconds. We want to really be very thankful. Once we have this function thank you, we can write it inside of our on edit. Just need the word thank you with these parentheses to say, hey, this is a function. Command S or save here to save this. Now we're not showing the autosave failed, we're showing the thank you. If we go and edit anywhere, hey, on the bottom right it says, sir, thank you. Nice, sir. Very polite, very demure, very awesome. When you're typing in cells, doing checkboxes, it'll say thank you. That should be annoying to some. Come back for more of these automations coming at you today. There's 23 other ones. Get them all at bettersheets.co/sheetfools.